Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the NordicTrack s22i screen not working. So first what you want to do is you want to reset it. Maybe it's going to fix the issue, maybe not. So the first thing is locate the reset button. Primarily it's going to be on the left side and there's going to be like this space here. You're going to find this small hole. So what you want to do is you want to unplug your NordicTrack, unplug it from the outlet. Then you want to press and hold with the paper clip. You want to insert the paper clip into that small hole on the left side. Maybe it's going to be like on the top. Just look for the small hole here. And you're going to insert it there. And while you want to hear a click, but you will still want to hold. And while you're going to like insert it and hold, you want to insert it back to the outlet. Now then what needs to be done is that when you're going to do it, possibly it's going to fix the issue. If not, then I just read here. So the person just wrote here, just had this issue, and it was the control board. Easy to replace yourself if you can get the part. So the control board is like $170, and I know like when you're just gonna look here, control board or the track incline S. So that's something that you want to look on. See, and that's something possible that you have to like replace. That was another thing that I was checking, right? And I'm going to link you the Amazon link. Maybe this is going to also fix it for you. So but just check if the control board looks exactly like this. And there are plenty of people here. Look, my boss that didn't want to spend 600 repair free from NordicTrack or this board and installed just a few minutes. New board did the trick and borrowed my back from the dead. The monitor stopped working, fan not working, nothing worked, and you can see right here that it helped them actually fix the issue. So I'm going to link you this down below in the description. If you want to, you can like check it out. Maybe it's going to help you actually fix the issue, like changing the control board. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.